Hello there, I just want to drop a tip on how to create simple animated drop-downs with TailwindCSS. We start by adding the button container, although you can use whatever element you want. Then add a text content to it. Give it a class of group and a class of relative. The group class is a Tailwind modifier used for styling an element based on the state of its parent element. And on the target element, you attach the group modifier with the chosen state, like group hover, group focus, group active, and so on. The class relative is to make the drop-down element to be positioned within the button container. And then we style the button with a gray border, a white background, a gray text, a text size, adequate paddings, and a rounded border. And on the button looks like this. Next is to add a drop-down element. Give it a class of absolute, so it's positioned within the button container. And then give it a class of top full and a right of 0, so it's placed at the bottom and the left side of our button container. You can position this however you want. Give it a large round border, adequate padding and margin, and a shadow. And now the results will look like this. I place the styles of the individual anchor tags elsewhere to maintain the simplicity of the code. Now, how do we give the drop down a height and show toggle effect? To do that, we give our drop down element an initial scale of 0 on the y-axis. And then we add a group modifier attached with a focus state and assign a scale of 100 to it. So when the parent button container is focused or clicked, the drop-down element is unveiled to its full scale. We add origin top, so it's unveiled from the top, giving the slide down effect. And then add a transition duration of 200. And for our final result. Nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this tip. Please like and share this video for the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe to stay tuned for more. Stay creative. See you soon.